Major pathways of anaerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration. Here is pyruvic acid plus acetyl coenzyme plus NAD plus in presence of magnesium and pyruvate dehydrogenase forms acetyl coenzyme plus CO2 plus NADH plus H plus. So this is the reaction. Now try carboxylic acid cycle, that citric acid cycle. Pyruvate 3 carbon, acetyl coenzyme 2 carbon with water and with oxaloacetic acid 4 carbon converts into citric acid 6 carbon. Then decarboxylation and NAD plus is converted into NADH plus H plus, that is alpha glutaric acid is formed 5 carbon. Then another decarboxylation, CO2 removes and NAD plus is reduced into NADH plus H plus, which is for energy and electron donor. And then ADP is converted into ATP, and then formation of succinic acid, that is 4 carbon. Then succinic acid is converted into malic acid, that is FAD plus is converted into FADH2. Then malic acid converted into oxaloacetic acid, that is NAD plus is converted into NADH plus H plus. So this is the citric acid cycle. Electron transport system ETS and oxidative phosphorylation. So electron transport system ETS. Okay, so this is the diagram. Electron transport system, that is ETS. So intermembrane space between outer and inner, then inner mitochondrial membrane where ETS takes place, and matrix where H2 is formed. Reduce oxygen, which is final electron acceptor. So you see 2H is converted, then FMN, then FES, then cytochrome B, FES. So this is electron transport system. Now diagrammatic representation of ATP synthesis in mitochondria. That is inner mitochondrial membrane where outside, and this one is from inside, it is matrix. F0 and F1 in the matrix and F0 in the inner mitochondrial membrane. So 2H plus passes through it in formation of ATP. Now the respiratory balance sheet: 38 ATP, 36 ATP during aerobic respiration of one glucose molecule. Then amphibolic pathway involves catabolism, anabolism. Now fats broken down into fatty acids and glycerol. So fats can be converted into acetyl coenzyme. Then glycerol can be converted into dihydroxyacetone phosphate. Carbohydrates usually simple sugars: glucose 6-phosphate, fructose 6-phosphate, fructose 1,6 bis-phosphate, then glycerol di3-phosphate, then glycer 1,3 bis-phosphoglyceric acid, then 3-phosphoglyceric acid, then 2-phosphoglycerate, then phosphoenol pyruvate, then pyruvic acid. So proteins converted into amino acids goes into pyruvic acid, acetyl coenzyme, and Krebs cycle. So this is so interrelationship among metabolic pathways showing respiration mediated breakdown of different organic molecules to CO2 and H2. So respiratory question, you see volume of CO2 evolved upon volume of O2 consumed. Now C6H12O6 plus 6O2, that is used, and 6CO2 formation. So 6CO2 upon 6O2 goes 1. So this is for carbohydrate. 6H2O and energy is released. So in two molecules C51H98O6 plus 145 oxygen used. So 145 is on denominator, and then upon numerator it is 102 CO2. So 0.7 respiratory question. So this is it.